Hello everybody and welcome back to day 2 of my challenge where I'm trying to grow $500 into $10,000 trading the NASDAQ. We are currently up $35 and let's see if today we can grow the account even more. So let's get to the charts immediately here, and as you can see I already made a sort of analysis. If you remember, I talked about this liquidity level here on the 4 hour, this double bottom, that I thought it was a huge target for the next days, weeks or even more. And yesterday it got hit during bank holiday. It's also why I didn't trade yesterday, because I'm not trading on bank holidays. So we swept this level and we have already pushed up 4,000 pips since we took it. So my bias is switching more to longs today. I have 2 long levels, one here on the 30-minute in this order block around the London range, and I have one at the extreme level after we swept this liquidity level. I'm also still interested in shorts at the 4 hour extreme right here for a possible lower high on the 4 hour and then create more downside. So the session starts in 1 minute and let's see if we can continue the winning streak. So the markets are open right now. Our short area is not too far away, around, well, it was 400 pips, but it is dropping now. So best case today for me would be continuation longs into this high and maybe even climb further than last week's high. But we will have to see what we want to do. So I'm being patient and I'll speak again after one of my areas gets hit. Alright, so as you can see on my trading view chart right here, the area got hit. I'm using the charts from Capital.com and I found that they are the most reliable and I always follow them. The level hasn't been hit on Vantage, the broker I'm trading on, but I will be looking for shorts right now, so I'm going to switch to the 1 minute time frame and see if I can get into some entries. So we already have one bearish candle right here. There's some sort of selling pressure after we took out the liquidity, but let's be a little bit more patient. There's also a possibility we are going to sweep this high and maybe react a little bit higher, or even just push through all of this after we took out this major liquidity for longs that I talked about last video and during my intro. So we are creating some wicks. I'm waiting a little more. I'm entering my first position right now. Might be a little bit too soon, but I will give it some space using a stop loss of 1000 pips. So it has room to climb all the way up into this order block. My target will be around my long area around here, or maybe if we are going to range a little bit first inside of this 1 hour FVG. But let's see what price wants to do first. I'm looking to add to my position if we are moving down from here. We are failing to make a higher high on this 1 minute, so we might switch trends to bearish on the lower time frame, and that's a sign for me to double my position. Waiting a little bit, it's coming up quick. Still 30 seconds until we are closing this, so I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I'm adding right now. Let's see. I move the stop loss of this position to the high here. And let's see if the trade wants to play out. Move the stop loss to break even of the scale, because I don't want it to move up again. I want it to melt immediately. So it is struggling here a little bit, and I don't want to risk this extra if we go up after this one candle that was dropping. I am moving to break even on my first position now as well. If we want to push up, I will be looking for re-entries if we get stopped out. But for now, let's be risk-free. We can sit back, relax, be patient and let it play out. The first move right now is looking great already. We are running 30 profit. Looking for more. And there's nothing I can do right now than just sit back and see what it wants to do. I want to close my scale in here if this candle turns out bullish. If not, I want to let it ride a little bit more. I don't like the resistance we are, or the support we are creating from the low of this wick. So let's watch carefully and see if we want to break through this level. It looks like it wants to go through after all. I am trading my skill in to the high of this candle. And let's see. Alright, so my skilling got stopped. I made $20 profit on that. I'm monitoring the highest position now as well, because I don't want to miss out on the profits right here if we want to go up again. So let's check the higher time frames first. We are respecting the low of the previous M15 candle, still 7 minutes till it wants to close. So let's see if you can continue to the downside right now, or if you want to go up. That's massive. So we broke this low. See if we want to pick up immediately, and if not, let's ride it a little bit more. We are at 900 pips. So that's great. I'm thinking about closing it. Let's wait a little bit more. We are struggling to push lower. And in my mind, we are still bullish after we swept that big liquidity level. So yeah. It has a hard time smashing through this level so far. I'm trading my stop loss to $30 into profit to make it an even 10% for the day and secure it. And hopefully we want to drop more. And it's fine if we don't. Alright, we are almost running 1k pips. We hit it right now. It's looking pretty bearish. And let's wait this candle. If it closes bearish, I might trail it here. And if it turns out bullish, I'm closing the trade for some good profits. Nice, nice. Trading my stop loss right here. And boom, that's it for today. We got some good profits. There's much more potential to the downside, but I'm happy with the profits we made today. And I want to thank you all for watching this video. This is day 2 and another profit, and we are currently up 20% in 2 trading days. So that's massive. Let the trade do its thing right now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.